All right, welcome back to another National PSI Real Estate Exam Prep. And today let's talk about property ownership. And more specifically, let's go over 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. A township contains 36 sections. Each section measures 1 square mile. A township is 6 miles on each side and covers 36 square miles. Each section is 1 mile by 1 mile or 640 acres. The 36 square miles in a township is 23,040 acres. What of these is a specific involuntary lien? A real estate property tax lien. A real estate property tax lien is always on a specific piece of real estate. It occurs without the property owner's permission, making it involuntary. Income tax liens, estate tax liens, and judgment liens are general because they are levied against both personal and real property owned by a debtor. But they do not take priority over other liens. A landowner has been driving over a neighbor's land without their knowledge for an extended period of time. The landowner may have acquired an easement by prescription. An easement by prescription may be acquired through open, continuous, exclusive, actual, and notorious ocean use of another's property for a number of years as prescribed by state law. A license is a personal revocable right to enter into another property for a specific use. Eminent domain is the government's right to acquire property for public use. An easement by necessity is created by a court to grant access to a property that has no access to a street. A mechanic's lien would be classified as a specific lien. A mechanic's lien is a specific lien because it affects only a particular property. It is involuntary lien placed on a property without the owner's consent. A general lien gives a creditor the right to have all of the owner's property, both real and personal, sold to satisfy a debt. An equitable lien arises from a written contract that indicates the party's intention to use a particular property as security for a debt or obligation. The best way to ensure that there is no encroachment to a property and to verify the boundaries of a parcel of land is to get a survey. Encroachments are discovered through actual notice or visual inspection by the buyer or someone representing the buyer. A survey reveals the location of all improvements on a property and whether any improvements extend over the property lines. A legal description is detailed description of a specific real estate parcel complete enough for an independent surveyor to locate and identify the parcel. Monuments are fixed objects or markers used to identify corners or places where boundary lines change direction, but they will never identify encroachments. Benchmarks are permanent references established for use in a survey to measure differences in elevation, but they will not identify encroachments. All right, this was 5 questions to help you pass your PSI National Real Estate Exam. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe as we drop a new video every week to help you pass your National PSI Real Estate Exam.